Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure Outlook without incoming or outgoing server details. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can do it using the automatic setup. So you're going to open Microsoft Outlook and then you're going to click on this gear icon. You'll be redirected to settings. So over here, you're going to click on add account. So you're going to simply type down your email address and then you'll be able to see an option of continue. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a connect interface. So type down your password and Outlook will automatically detect the incoming server, outgoing server, port settings, and then simply click done. If this works, this is for Outlook.com, Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft 365, and most modern email providers. If the automatic setup fails, then you can also head over to the manage over here and you can enable let me set up my account manually, and then you can choose providers such as IMAP, POP, or Exchange. And that was basically how you can configure Outlook without incoming or outgoing server details. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.